How to delete your UberEats account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your UberEats accounts. So let's get started. First thing you'll need to do is open up a web browser and simply search for UberEats account deletion. And after you search for that, an UberEats help site will open up and simply tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see this website open up right here. Tap on delete my Uber account. After you tap on it, you'll get redirected to another page. Now simply type in your email address here. And after you type in your email address, you can simply tap on continue. You can also log in with your Google or Apple account. After you log in using your Uber account, you will simply see Uber Eats right here. You can tap on continue to delete your account. Tap on continue, and after you tap on continue, choose your reason for deleting your account. After you do that, tap on delete account and your account deletion request was successful. Now you will be logged out of your Uber Eats, and after that your account will get deleted. And it's that simple. That is how you can delete your Uber Eats account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.